the difference between American bird and Nigerian bird. Uh, American bird,
It's okay.
whenever the people bird fly into their room and they see the bird, they will carry the bird and fall in love with the bird. Then they will carry the bird outside and they will let the bird fly away. Mm? Something simple, something like that. Mm? But Nigerian bird, but for Nigeria,
Don't know why it's going
well, whenever they see a bird in their room, first of all, they begin to catch fire. Holy Ghost fire. Something like that. What are you looking? In America, they can call the bird pet. They can even find food for the bird to eat. Before the bird let the bird fly away. Something simple. Look at this bird on the screen. We call it hope. Do you know what Nigerian people call it? They call it ogugu. They call the bird village people. Something like that. What are you looking? What are you looking? American bird, Nigeria bird, Bengati.
Oh my God!